Hey everybody, it's Julia Hurley with the Just Homes Group of Keller Williams Real Estate here in the Tennessee market. When you think of buying or selling real estate in Tennessee, I want you to think of me, Julia Hurley. I'm really starting to like that slogan. I hope you do too. I wanted to give a quick shout out today for our 2 open houses this Sunday. That's July 28th. I want to make sure that each and every one of you get a personal invitation from us at the Just Homes Group. So our very first open house this Sunday between 2 and 4 is on Sloping Hill Lane in Hardin Valley, Tennessee. A 10 out of 10 school district, very desirable to Turkey Creek shopping, only 15 minutes away from downtown Knoxville and very easy to the schools. So I want to make sure that each of you understand that Sloping Hill Lane this Sunday, July 28th between 2 and 4. And your host for that open house is going to be Jack Woods. Our second open house is at Casa Way. This is in Halls. So much land. There's so much new development coming in Powell area. Sorry about that. Powell area. Growth is inevitable. This property sits on a great size lot with a huge backyard for the kids and a mother-in-law suite in the basement just for that extra special someone you may need to assist in taking care of. Again, that's this Sunday, July 28th, between 2 and 4 p.m. at Casa, and Brooke Holmes will be your hostess for this great event. So if these are 2 things that you would be interested in, you can visit our facebook.com/Just Homes Group for all of our events and to RSVP if you would like more information. Again, this is Julia Hurley with the Just Homes Group, Keller Williams Real Estate, Knoxville, Tennessee. When you think of Tennessee real estate, think of me. You're welcome to call us at 865-237-7328 for a total list of all of our properties for sale. Again, we're talking with you today about our 2 open houses, one at 1326 Sloping Hill Lane this Sunday, July 28th between 2 and 4 with Jack Woods, and the property at Casa Way in Halls with Miss Brooke Holmes. Again, we would be so excited to see you. If you need us, call or text 865-237-7328. And as always, thanks for visiting.